Good morning, children. Welcome to Sri Veda, the Universe School. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Did you completed your homeworks? Yesterday, what I have given? Expanded form and standard form. Did you complete? Very good. Then, today, we'll go into the topic. Can you find what is the symbol? Which symbol it is? Did you see? Yes. Less than, greater than, equal. Okay? Then, now today we'll use these symbol to compare the numbers. Okay? Then, before going to compare, first we'll take some numbers. Okay? 5, 2, 3. First we'll take 3-digit numbers. Okay? 523 is one number. Now I'll take another number. 462. So today we'll compare these two numbers now. Okay? By using these symbols, we have to compare these numbers. Okay? 523 and 462. Okay? And 523 is a greater number or 462 is a greater number? 523 because 500s are there. In this number, 400s are there. Okay? Then, so 523 is greater than 462. Then, how you have to write the symbol here? Greater. Which is a greater? This one is a greater symbol, right? If you are getting any confusion with these two symbols, which one is a less than, which one is a greater than. Actually, this is a less than symbol. This is a greater than symbol. Okay? Then, if you are getting to write the greater than symbol or less than symbol, just remember, always, if, I'll ask one question. If you are feeling hungry, okay, from 2-3 days onwards, you are not eating anything, okay, you are feeling hungry, okay. I bought 2 bags, okay, in one bag, I bought 4 bananas. In another bag, I kept 2 bananas. 4 bananas, 2 bananas, okay. Which one you like? Which one you take? Because you're so much hungry. Definitely you will take 4 bananas. Okay? Then the same way take a crocodile. Okay? What it will do? The same thing. Okay? Crocodile also take the 4 bananas. Right? Then how is a crocodile mouth? Crocodile mouth is like this only, na? It wants to eat more number. Okay? Just remember this formula. If you are forgetting that, if you are getting confused with the less than and greater than symbol, this is a crocodile mouth. Always it wants to eat bigger number. Okay? Just open this mouth towards a bigger number. Okay? Remember like this. Better to remember the symbol just by seeing only less than and greater than. Even though if you are getting confused with this symbol, always crocodile wants to eat more things. Not things, whatever it may be. Okay? That's why you should open that crocodile mouth towards a bigger number. Okay? That is the greater than symbol. Okay? Then, we'll take another number. 124. 682. Okay? 100 and how many hundreds? Only 100. 600 and 600s. Which one is 100? 600. 600 is greater. Greater. This is a. Now you have to write the greater symbol. This side you have to open crocodile mouth towards this side. Okay. This what is the symbol? It's a less than. Okay. But the crocodile mouth is open towards a bigger number. Now how will read this one? 124 is less than. 124 is less than 682. If you write 682 this side. Now, just don't see this. Just compare this number. 600s, 100s. Okay, 600 is greater than 100. Right? 600 is greater. Greater than symbol we should write here. Okay? Then 682 is greater than 124. Here 124 is less than 682. Got it? Like that. We'll compare the numbers. Equal. If the two numbers are equal, we'll use this symbol equal. Okay? Then today I'll send one worksheet regarding this. Let's just do that worksheet and also learn tables from 8 to 10. Okay, and also you have to write all these revision topics in your notebook also. Daily you are writing or not? Yes. Every day just open the notebook, write the date and also just keep the heading what we are giving and also copy the thing what we are writing on the board and do the problems in that notebook only in the next page. Anyway, we'll send worksheet to you now. Just copy that worksheet in your notebook and do that one. Okay? Goodbye. Have a nice day.